Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to design a text effect logo using the blend tool. Make sure watch to the end of the video and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. Have a nice watching. Select the type tool. Click. And type A. You can type any character you want. Now select a font from here. You can take any font. After that, select this. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. And place it like this. Now select this. Right-click on the mouse. Go to the Arrange. Bring to front. And with the eyedropper tool take this color. Select this. And take this color. After that, select all. And go to the blend tool. Click here. And click here. After that, double-click on the blend tool. Select specified steps. Take the steps around 100. And click OK. After that, select the rectangle tool. And change the background to this color. And go to the Arrange. Send to back. Select this and press Ctrl+2 to lock the background. OK, our letter is complete. Now you can change it to any character. For that, go to the Edit. Find and replace. Enter the letter that is there. And enter the letter you want to change it to there. Now click Find, and replace all. Click OK, and done. You can see the letter is changed. In this way, you can change your letter to any letter. OK, after that, select the type tool. Click, and type the logo name. Hold Shift and make some bigger. Select white color from here. Select the same font from here. And place it like this. Hold Alt and copy. And type your tagline. Now select the tracking point around 500. And place it like this. OK, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.